Hey, what's going on, guys? Guess what? The S60 rear is here by Strange. Yep, it's based off the Dana 60, and this thing is freaking beefy. I can't believe it. So in today's video, we're gonna unbox it, check it out. Oh boy. What? Oh my God. This thing is freaking crazy. Wow. Now this is a rear. Oh my God, till you see it in person, it's like, this thing is freaking massive. Wow. I mean, this thing is freaking beast. Damn. Torque arm mount. It's like maybe the vent tube. Maybe a brake bracket, which is very nice. Wow, look at that. Got your Fbody spring perches there. And went ahead, I sent them the backing plates for the LS1 brakes, and those are already on. So these are the backing plate and the dust shield here. So that's already on there. Wow, so super nice. Yeah, because I guess they got to put the axle on after they bolt that on. So I had to send those in order to install it. All right, guys, let's talk about some of the options I got on this bad boy. I got a chrome moly yoke, okay? I got the upgraded, what they call an HD cap kit. So that's supposed to be a lot stronger there. So I was figuring, you know, I don't want to introduce any more weak points in here. Of course, I got to get a drive shaft, but I got the option where I went ahead and sent my backing plates, and these are for a 98 to 02 LS1 car. So that's going to be the brakes that we're going to use. If you see my video, I got the brakes already, the power stop that I bought at Rock Auto. So they're going to bolt right on. Okay, also I just got the steel cover here. I don't know if the other cover will actually fit, so I went ahead and kept that. I went ahead and got the axles cut to 29.625 inches. That's supposed to be about a ½ inch shorter on each side is what I ordered. So one of the things I'm gonna have to do is just, you know, we'll probably want to double check that measurement just to make sure this thing is good before we get too far into this project. So I wanna make sure that's done right. It's got a 373 gears in it. Also got the Eaton 3 helical, so 373 gears. Also got the M12 stud kit on this as well. This is based off the Dana 60 housing. It's got the 3-inch by 1/4 inch wall tubing here. So man, just super stout. Look at the freaking welds on this. Man, that is freaking beast, man. There's your torque arm mount there. So it's all set up, and I love how this is integrated into the rear as opposed to the 9-inch. Very nice, I love it. There again, there's the backing plates that I sent in for the LS1 brakes. All right guys, let's check out what's in the box here. What kind of hardware we got. Well, right away, looks like a little bit longer sway bar link. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. So they provide that, which I didn't even realize that. That's cool. What I got was about 54 inches, and then I butted this tape measure up to it. That's 3 inches, so it's 57 inches from the basically the backing plate to backing plate. Hard to film and measure at the same time, but anyway, you can see here. Wow, it looks like we're dead on 56. So again, the 9-bolt that I have in there right now, the 3rd gen width was 57 inches, and this one is 56 inches, which is perfect. It's supposed to be a ½ an inch shorter on each side. So I think we're in good shape, guys. This thing is, as far as I'm concerned, it's passed my QC, my quality check, and by a long shot. So that was the only thing I was a little concerned about there. Hey, the 9-bolt, it hung in there as long as it could. Hey, it's still working actually. It's, you know, like I said, it's one wheel. And guys, let me know what you're running and comment below. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe to the channel if you find this content helpful.